testing here some to play some music. I don't know if this player doesn't support CDA or is it broken, because when I put in this one, I have the cover removed, by the way. And then it tries, but it doesn't read anything. By the way, this is Samsung DVD VR 355 model, and then it spits out the disc. Or maybe not, but yeah, yes. It says on the TV that it can't. The disc is not supported. I don't know. Let's try something else. Day of the Animals. Oh no, this is not even opened yet. Quick unboxing includes this video. Okay, there we go. And let's see if this even works. If this supports discs, anything, any disc. At least the VHS part works fine, but it seems to be working. But still not. Yeah, it's working. That's not Swedish, Norwegian or Danish. Weird. Weird that it's working now. I don't know where I got the remote. But anyway, it seems to be working, but could it be that this player doesn't support the CDs, audio CDs at all? If so, that's strange. I put in the description if this supports the CD audio or not. Thanks for watching. Read down in the description.